Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Literacy. Literacy means ability to read and write. For example, tests of literacy and numeracy. Tests of literacy and numeracy. Synonyms: ability to read and write, reading ability, writing ability.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. Innovative programs successfully encouraged adults to develop their literacy and numeracy skills. Now, repeat after me. Innovative programs successfully encouraged adults to develop their literacy and numeracy skills. The second exemplar. There is work on effective teaching initiatives and initiatives for adult literacy. Now, repeat after me. There is work on effective teaching initiatives and initiatives for adult literacy. The third exemplar. Its treasures must be plundered and used to fund literacy programs and childcare. Now, repeat after me. Its treasures must be plundered and used to fund literacy programs and childcare.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
Only 2 English words in current use end in "gry". They are angry and hungry.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.